In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get Crunchyroll for free. So let's just begin. So first of all, we're going to be heading over to any platform that does offers. Basically, you can head over to Crunchyroll itself directly, just like that. So they do come with a free trial plan that you can avail. But of course, after that, it is going to be free. If you want to learn how to get it for free permanently, they're gonna be basically a lot of videos, but do not fall for that as it is not gonna be working. You can get different platforms, but specifically if we talk about Crunchyroll, you cannot get it for free. The only thing that you can get for free is you can see premium and try free premium. You can click onto this, you can see we got 7 days free trial. If you get want to avail in the 7 days, you can create a new plan. But yeah, for now that is it, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.